Okay, so you should now be seeing my proper screen. So welcome from my part as well. I'd like to give a very brief update of the project, the summary of the work conducted. We can say that iBRoad is a solution for a problem that most of us are aware of, and that is building renovation. And building renovation being a complex challenge is something that could use a plan. The logic for us is going for deep renovation and to view the whole building in a holistic way and to plan each step through what we call the building renovation roadmap. Coupled to this, there is the building renovation logbook. The logbook for the building, which is not just for renovation, but mostly to have all the information that is related to the building and even the snapshots of the renovation along the way. And there is a background to all this, research on some interesting such examples that exist around Europe, and of course how several countries handle energy performance of buildings and renovations. Research on what the end users want, the homeowners. Work on data regarding buildings around Europe and how this can be organized in a way that is relevant both to the European perspective but also to the national conditions. Methodologies for energy demand calculation, specific tools, software supporting the roadmap and the logbook, stakeholders meetings and information to them and feedback from them on these tools. Then the adaptation of the tools for specific countries, specifically Bulgaria, Poland, and Portugal, in order to support field tests, and also Germany specifically for the logbook. Training toolkits and a handbook for energy auditors to support their training, implementation, pilot testing in these countries, evaluation of this experience, and after this, our proposals on how iBRoad can be implemented in other countries and what surrounding policy instruments should be used in order to have the best effect. Following this, and with iBRoad being at its final phase, we are very happy to say that, to announce that we are now candidates finalists in the innovation category of the Sustainable Energy Week Awards. This has been announced this week, and in this context, it is also possible for the public to vote for the Citizens Award. So there are 3 finalists in the Innovation Award. The actual winner will be announced directly on 23 of June. However, it is possible for the public to also vote for the Citizens Award, which is a single award for all the categories. Feel free to vote for us. I strongly encourage you to do so, and of course for any other projects that you appreciate in this context. And after this webinar, please visit our website, where you will find just about everything that I mentioned earlier. Please subscribe to our news alerts to receive information. Please visit our YouTube channel, where you will find our previous webinars, and next week you will also find the current webinar. And if you do have ideas for implementing iBRoad in your own context, please do get in touch with us. We are open to additional suggestions and possibilities for application. And again, once last but not least, please do visit the Sustainable Energy Week Awards. We would be very honored if you support us with your vote. So that's it from my part. Thank you very much for this, and I will give the floor to Peter Melvich from EUSEW for the main presentations of today, for the tour of iBRoad and the software tools and any questions and questions that you might have on these. Peter, the floor is yours.